This empty paper cup symbolizes your engine without any liquid in the cooling system. As you can see, it doesn't take long to completely destroy the cup, about 30 seconds. This paper cup is half full of water. It symbolizes your engine when it's half full of coolant. Interestingly, it takes about twice as long to destroy half the cup. The third paper cup symbolizes your engine full of coolant. If your cooling system is full of coolant, it will resist overheating much longer. In fact, even this paper cup will not burn until the water leaks out or boils away. So it's vitally important to check the coolant on a regular basis. We recommend every time you gas up. If checked regularly, coolant level can be checked by inspecting the overflow bottle. The overflow bottle can be located by following the hose from the radiator fill cap to the overflow bottle. The overflow bottle level should be between these two marks. If it's low, add coolant to the bottle. If the bottle becomes empty, it will be necessary to add coolant not only to the overflow bottle, but to the radiator as well. This should only be done, however, after the engine has had time to cool, usually about 30 minutes. But even after 30 minutes, you should check the radiator to ensure it's cool to the touch, and there should be no pressure at the upper radiator hose. To add coolant, remove the cap and fill with the proper fluid. If you're unsure as to which fluid to use, check your owner's manual or a trusted auto parts supplier. It doesn't much matter to us. We actually make more money when people destroy their engines. But if I were you, I think I'd check my coolant on a regular basis. We hope this video has been helpful. Join us again soon for another low-range off-road tech tip video.